Hello everyone, this is Crisly Joy Villarmino. I'm the seventh reporter of the Group 6 and my task is to summarize all the topics in Chapter 12 which is all about hazardous and nuclear waste materials. First, let's talk about the governing laws of waste management. So, waste management is governed by Republic Act 9003, also known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000, domestically, and the Basel Convention internationally for hazardous waste. So, it focuses on proper waste segregation, collection, transport, recycling, and disposal. Now let's move on to the objectives of Republic Act 9003. So first, it established a nationwide solid waste management program. So this aims to create a comprehensive and coordinated system for managing solid waste across the entire country. This involves setting standards, regulations, and guidelines for waste management practices. Second, promoting recycling, composting, and segregation. The Act actively encouraged the implementation of recycling and composting programs to divert waste from landfills and reduce environmental impact. Proper waste segregation at the source is also a key component, making recycling and composting more efficient. Encouraging resource conservation and environmentally sound disposal is the third one. So RA 9003 promotes sustainable practices by emphasizing resource conservation and environmentally sound disposal methods. This includes minimizing waste generation, promoting reuse and recycling, and ensuring that waste disposal doesn't harm the environment. Next one will be on waste reduction and recycling strategies. So first is the source reduction. Reducing waste at its source through optimized processes and the use of alternative materials. This means finding ways to produce less waste in the first place. Second, recycling and reuse. Recycling and reusing hazardous materials is emphasized, highlighting the importance of proper handling and processing of these materials to prevent environmental harm. Circular economy principles. The adoption of circular economy principles is promoted. This approach focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing the use of resources by keeping materials in use for as long as possible. Next, it highlights crucial aspects of hazardous waste management, proper segregation, and labeling. So, it stresses the importance of separating hazardous waste at the source, preventing accidental mixing with other waste types. This is followed by the necessity of clear and accurate labeling on all containers holding hazardous materials, ensuring safe and handling and disposal. Finally, it emphasizes the need for designated storage areas, preventing accidental spills or exposures, and facilitating safe transport and disposal. Now let's talk about the importance of training and awareness in successful waste management. So, first is the employee training. So, thorough employee training and proper waste handling and disposal procedures is crucial for safe and effective waste management practices within organizations. This ensures consistent adherence to regulation and minimizes risk. Community engagement. Active community engagement and sustainable waste management is vital for broader success. This involves educating the public about proper waste disposal methods, encouraging participation in recycling programs, and fostering a sense of collective responsibility. Last is collaboration. Successful waste management requires collaboration among authorities, businesses, and community organizations. This collaborative approach ensures the coordinated implementation of waste management strategies and maximizes effectiveness. Next is the critical aspects of safe hazardous waste disposal and treatment. So, it emphasizes the absolute necessity of utilizing only licensed hazardous waste treatment facilities, ensuring proper handling and environmentally sound disposal methods that comply with regulations. Furthermore, it stresses the importance of meticulous record keeping and compliance tracking, providing a verifiable audit trail for regulations and demonstrating responsible waste management practices. Finally, it highlights the need for established emergency response procedures, crucial for mitigating potential risks associated with hazardous waste handling and ensuring swift and effective responses in case of accidents or unforeseen events. Last is the various techniques for hazardous waste treatment, categorized by different methods. First is the physical treatment. So this involves methods like filtration, sedimentation, and centrifugation, processes that separate waste components based on physical properties. Second is the chemical treatment. Chemical techniques such as neutralization and detoxification alter the chemical composition of hazardous waste to render it less harmful. Biological treatment. This uses microorganisms to break down waste components, a more environmental friendly approach. Thermal treatment. Thermal methods like incineration or pyrolysis use high temperatures to destroy waste, sometimes generating energy in the process. So that would be all for my part. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.